Here's another question for practice final exam. The question has given you 3 augmented matrices and is asking you to first represent it in form of a system and then solve that system. So in one, remember I write x, y, z on top, and I know I wrote over it though. So it's going to be x plus 5y plus 3z is equal to 12. Then 0x plus 1y plus 3z is equal to negative 4. And then I have 0x plus 0x plus 0z, 0y plus 0z is equal to 1. So all of these were zeros. So x, y, and z. And this is inconsistent because on this side it was all zeros, the other side had a 1. So inconsistent. B, let's do the same thing again. X, y, and z. And I have x plus 5y plus 3z equal to 12. 0x plus 1y plus 3z equal to negative 4. And then I have 0 plus 0 plus 0, which is 0, equal to 0. Okay, so in this case, it's actually, there's no inconsistency because 0 equal to 0 is allowed. Now, what I need to do, though, I have to solve, and I know that because we reduce the system into 2 equations in 3 variables. I know I have infinite solutions, basically. Start with setting the last variable. Typically, I like to set the last variable to be the free variable. In this case, when I put z equal to t, then I can put in the one before last, one before the trivial equation, I can plug in t, and I get y plus 3t equal to negative 4, and I solve for y, which is going to be negative 3t, subtracting 3t from both sides, minus 4. And so then the last one is x. Last is to solve for x. Now, remember, I can plug in x z equal to t in the first equation and y equal to negative 3t minus 4. So here, x plus 5 times negative 3t minus 4 plus 3t equal to 12. Now I can solve for x. There's no other variables in there. And their only parameter t. And so I get x, distribute 5 minus 15t plus, minus 20 plus 3t equal to 12. We can put these together and it would be minus the like terms together, minus 12t, take the 20 to the other side, makes it 32, so x is equal to 32 plus 12t. Now let's put them all together and we get x is 32 plus 12t, y is negative 3t minus 4, and then z is t. So x, y, and z. The last one, let's do the same routine. C is again x, y, z is going to be, the equation is x plus 5y plus 3z equal to 12, and then y plus 3z equal to negative 4, and then z equal to 0. Okay, now I have 3 equations in 3 variables, and therefore I just have to solve for a unique solution. The reduced form is 3 equations in 3 variables. And now z equal to 0, I can plug in 0 in here, and I solve y plus 0 equal to -4, so y is equal to -4. Now to solve for x, plug in 0 for z and -4 for y, and you get x plus 5 times -4 is equal to 12. So x is equal to 20 plus 12, which is 32. And so the answer is 32, -4, and 0. And that's the solution. So we have inconsistent infinite solutions. This is actually this represents a line and in 3D, and this one is just a point.